It's got great stretch and looks really good on the front, and even though it's not per se reversible, it looks really good on the back as well. It's the Garter Stitch Rectangles Stitch pattern only, so I'm not going to be discussing the cast on or cast off on this video. Hey, it's Denise from loom.com. For more information, be sure to visit the website. Alright, let's get started with row 1, where we're just going to knit the row. We're using the flat version of the knit stitch, so just lay your yarn loosely over the existing loop and knit off. And you see how you can lay it flat over a couple of pegs and knit off. You can also use the U-wrap version of the knit stitch if that's more comfortable for you. Avoid the E-wrap, which leaves a very loose stitch, and you'll lose a lot of the detail that you see on this stitch pattern. When you're done with row 1, you're ready for row 2, where you're going to purl 3 and then knit 3. So put your working yarn under the existing loop. From the top, hook up and create a new loop. Take the old loop off the peg, replace it with a new one, and pull on your working yarn to tighten the stitch. That's your purl. So that was your first one. You need 3. So here's a purl number 2. I'm going from the top. I'm going to scoop up the working yarn to create a new loop. Take that old loop off the peg, add the new one, and pull on the working yarn to tighten the stitch. That's 2. I need 1 more, and here's my purl number 3. And now I'm going to follow with 3 knit stitches. Again, I'm using the flat version. You're welcome to use the U-wrap version of the knit stitch. Those are the 6 stitches you're going to repeat for the width of your project. Then you're ready for rows 3 through 12, where you're going to repeat rows 1 and 2 5 more times. You're then ready for 13, where you're just going to knit the row. I'm going to continue to use the flat version of the knit stitch. Remember that you can use the U-wrap version. Row 14 is the reverse of row 2. You're now going to knit 3, purl 3. For row 15, you're just going to knit the row, and you guys are experts. For rows 16 through 25, you're going to repeat row 14 and 15 5 more times, and then for row 26, you're going to do a knit 3, purl 3, and that's it. That is your stitch pattern. I hope you like it. It's the first in a series of blanket patterns, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Share the video because it helps me a lot, and don't forget to comment.